Oh, hey there. I was just looking through some of my older videos. I have almost 1,000 videos on my channel, all about ways to make money online. Okay? So, if this is something that interests you, if you are a follower of me from before, make sure you push that like button and make a comment below the video. Also, if you are a returning visitor that is not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. So you follow me in this journey where I'm making money online and show you how to do it yourself. And also provide you tools so you can make money also, like robots, indicators, all this good stuff. So in this video, we're going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run. Just use the link you see up there now, or just use the link you find below the video. Only by using my link can you deposit just $100. Only by using my link you get to use my robot. Also make sure you use my promo code that you find below the video. And lastly, make sure you use my service for Forex. I have a copy service that costs only $16 a month. There's a link below the video for that one also. So, today is a Saturday morning. Let's see how we do with a robot in a Saturday. So with that, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it this Saturday morning, $773 profit in matter of 7 minutes again. So, like I said in the start of the video, if you want to run this robot also, you can. You find the link below the video. Also make sure you use the promo code. So with that, have an amazing day.